G'day, I'm Jason Hodges, and this here is Versastone. It's a block system that takes all the hard work out of the equation so you can do it yourself and you don't have to get a block layer in. Now, if you have a look at the ends, there's a male fitting and a female fitting. So, if they don't go into position like that, they're in the wrong spot and you can't get it wrong. That's that simple. The lugs on the top mean when you're going up a course, you simply slip it into position. It's nice and flat across the front and away you go up to 3 courses high with no engineering whatsoever. Now the ends are hollow, which means it makes them a bit lighter and easier to work with. But that's a problem when it comes to the corners. But it's not when you buy a corner and you can get left and right hand ones with the same lugs so they fit in and those joints are seamless. But the best thing about it is how they look. They're being shot blast so you can see all the natural pebbles and ingredients that have gone into it, and it'll be a real feature in any style of garden.